Hi, it's Dream Guys. Come enjoy a day at the beach with me and my family. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.
There you go, now turn it over. Good job. Good job. Destiny, what you like most about the bike ride?
Being in the front and pedaling fast.
Dream, what you like about the bike ride?
Take the air.
Did you like it?
You like it?
You like sitting in the front? You want to go to the beach?
You want me to go?
We're going to the beach. So Dream, she enjoys sitting in the front. Jacob, what you enjoy about the bike ride? Did you enjoy it? Cal, what you enjoy about the bike ride?
Going fast make me out, man. Especially for the free man. With those long legs.
Put it right here.
Them long legs.
You want to over top of your head?
My nigga.
You heard Jacob say he wonder why your knees bad.
Your knees always bad. Those long knees you can't keep up.
Why is his knees bad, Jacob?
Y'all go all the way to the end.
Shot. Shot. Look at Jacob.
Battle shot.
Dream. Jacob, you said do what? Stop doing what?
You're saying I got all back for nothing. And you want one that's supersonic speed.
Super
He
size.
going at supersonic speed. What? Shy, you busy the fun. Dream, look.
Jake got long legs for
Look,
nothing.
Dream, look at me. Dream.
Long legs for nothing. Oh. See the shot. Your son got long legs for nothing. For nothing. All the long legs. Pedal.
Dream.
Even if you stop.
Look at